Let's do page number 20 and page number 21. Before starting with this activity, let's go for a presentation of the words. Listen and repeat. Let's practice the pronunciation. But, and, because. But, and, because. Now let's complete the dialogue. How was your week, Alex? Did you exercise? I didn't go swimming on Wednesday. I went hiking on Thursday. And how was the party on Friday, Rosie? I didn't go to the party. I went to the movies. Harold, how was your baseball game on Sunday? Great. We won. We hit a lot of home runs. To talk about the past in negative, we have to use the auxiliary didn't. The pronunciation is didn't. Didn't. I didn't see my friends on Friday. Rosie didn't go to the party on Friday. Those were very good situations in which you heard different situations in the past. Now in this activity, let's make sentences using the past in affirmative and negative. Pay attention. Now in your English notebook, write the sentences. In this activity number 2, it's very interesting because let's see different famous people that had a profound impact on history. But these sentences that you are looking at there are not correct. So pay attention the alternatives above and let's try to correct them. Of course, let's use the past in affirmative and negative. Let's do it. Now write the answers in your English notebook, paying attention the sentences in affirmative and negative. In this activity number 3, let's learn how to tell a story using the sequencers. First of all, let's learn them. Then you are going to listen to the story and pay attention here, right? And you will realize that these sequencers are used in this story. Then complete it. To tell a story in the past, we have to keep in mind the sequencers. This is the order. First, then, next, after that, finally. First, then, next, after that, finally.
Come and play, Tim. What are you doing?
I'm watching a documentary. It's about an astronaut's day in space. Look.
A day in the life of scientist Julius Smith. Today's program is about Julius, who is on a mission in space. He had an early start. Let's see what he did during the day. First, he got up at 7 o'clock. Then he took a bath. There are no showers, so he used a wet sponge. Next, he ate breakfast. It was a bit different because he didn't eat ham and eggs. He ate dehydrated food. He didn't drink any juice, but he drank some milk. After that, he took some photos. Finally, he sent a message to NASA. You won't believe this. He did everything while he floated in the air.
Wow!
Now, according to the story, let's practice using the sequencers. Right? In this activity, write sentences about Julius use the pronouns and the sequencer, right? Okay, then we are going to put in order. Pay attention. In number 1 is, first, Julius got up at 7 o'clock. So in number 2, that is not in order. We have to put the sequencer first. What is that? Then he, put the past, took a bath. In number 3, so what is the sequencer? Good, so we have next, he, use the past, ate dehydrated food. Okay? That's right. Now please complete for number 4 and number 5. Now write negative sentences that are true about Julius. Just true. For example, he didn't get up at 6. Do you have any other sentence? Good. For example, he didn't take a shower. Okay? That is true, but that is in negative. What about number 3? Do you know other? For example, he didn't eat vegetables. He didn't eat vegetables. Okay, if you have other sentences for number 4 and number 5, you can write it. Use your imagination. Let's do it. In your English Pink notebook, write down what you did yesterday. Follow the examples and don't forget to use the verbs in the past, in affirmative and negative. Let's do it. That's all for this lesson. Thank you very much for being there, and don't forget to practice at home and send your evidences. Goodbye.